So you're going to a video shoot and you want some bright lights with some good diffusers, and you also don't have a lot of space in your bag. Well, Ulanzi has you covered with this. These are the AL60 inflatable tube lights. So let me show you more, plus one really important piece of information that you're gonna wanna know before buying these.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel where I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. If you like gadgets and gear like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't be a stranger. Also, if you like Ulanzi products, hit that thumbs up button and Ulanzi will be happy. And also, I'd give you more of those kind of videos in your feed. I'll put links to everything down in the description. And here it is, the AL60 inflatable LED air tube light. And in the box, you get the light bag, which is made of very high quality material. It's not easy to tear or break. It's also battery operated to blow this up with just a press of a button. You can also deflate it in seconds with this valve over here. It also includes this handle with an ergonomic design, allowing you to hold the light for extended periods of time. You can handhold it, you can mount it on a tripod, you can hang it from the ceiling because it has a detachable remote control with it. It has some other options as well as the cord to power it, which is one of those important things to note. This does not come with any kind of power brick. So you'll either need a 100 watt, 20 volt, 5 amp adapter to plug it in to power it up, or you can use a powerful power bank with 100 watts to it as well to power this thing up, keeping it more mobile. So I'm just letting you know, in case you get these lights, you also need to get the proper power to power it up. The whole thing is under 2 pounds, so it's pretty lightweight to carry around, and you saw how compact this thing can get for traveling. But when you do power it on, you can see how bright this thing gets with up to 68 watts of brightness, and it gives a big spread with that built-in diffusion, which in turn gives it cinematic soft lighting that's perfect for portraits or interviews, just properly lighting a subject without any harsh shadows or glare. You can also change the color temperature from a warm 2700 to a cool 6500K, and you get 10 lighting effects that can utilize those color temperatures such as candlelight. You also get paparazzi, lightning effects, and much more to play with, so you can add some really cool effects to your videos. So there it is. This is the Ulanzi inflatable light, perfect for those videos that you need to make on the go, and it's a very powerful light. If you're looking for something a little bit more portable, you can check out the Ulanzi tube lights. These things are really cool as well. Not as bright as this big inflatable light, but these do a great job, and I'll put links to that video right here. You can check that out right there, or you can check out some other Ulanzi products I have on the screen. So give one of those a click, and I'll keep playing with this.